Imagine breathing oxygen at 20 times the normal level, reaching every corner of your body, healing tissues, sharpening your mind, and even rejuvenating your skin. That is the power of hyperbaric oxygen therapy, also called HBOT. Hi, I'm Dr. Garima, Senior Rehabilitation and Integrative Wellness Expert at the Wellness Co. And welcome to the episode 3 of Therapy Deep Dive, where we explore different cutting-edge therapies. And today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of one of the most powerful and restorative treatments, hyperbaric oxygen therapy. I'll walk you through the full step-by-step experience and also explain the science behind why it is being embraced worldwide, from athletes and recovery specialists to wellness seekers looking for deeper healing. What is hyperbaric oxygen therapy? HBOT is a non-invasive treatment where you breathe 100% pure oxygen inside a specially pressurized chamber at levels 2 to 3 times higher than the normal atmospheric pressure. In this environment, oxygen isn't just carried by the hemoglobin. It actually dissolves in your blood plasma and tissues, reaching areas that may otherwise struggle with circulation. Here's what the research shows. HBOT can boost oxygen delivery to tissues by up to 20%. It accelerates wound healing and tissue repair. It reduces inflammation and strengthens your immune system. It stimulates new brain cell growth, a process called neurogenesis. It even helps your body fight infections by powering the white blood cells. From post-surgery recovery to long-term wellness and anti-aging, HBOT truly works at the cellular level. Who is it recommended for? Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is ideal for athletes recovering from injury or fatigue, individuals with chronic inflammation, poor circulation or slow healing wounds, people dealing with brain fog, low energy or stress-related burnout. Wellness enthusiasts focused on anti-aging, improved sleep or glowing skin. So technically, we recommend it across all age groups, tailoring every session to each person's needs. But like every therapy at the Wellness Co, it begins with a medical screening to rule out the contraindications such as an untreated pneumothorax or uncontrolled fever. Safety is always our top priority. What does a typical HBOT session look like? Your session begins with a consultation and a quick health checkup, monitoring blood pressure, heart rate, and oxygen saturation to ensure you're ready. Once cleared, you step into the chamber fully clothed with all metal accessories removed. Many clients like to read, listen to music, or even meditate during the session. At the Wellness Co, we offer 2 chambers. One that reaches 1.5 ATA, designed for therapeutic wellness benefits, and the other that goes up to 3 ATA, used for advanced medical conditions such as sensory neural hearing loss. Each session has 3 phases. Compression. As the chamber pressurizes, you may feel a gentle fullness in your ears like during a flight. Our therapist will guide you through simple techniques to equalize the ear pressure and stay comfortable. Maintenance. Once you reach the therapeutic level, you simply relax and breathe pure oxygen for 45 to 90 minutes. During this time, oxygen saturates your bloodstream, floods your tissues, and fuels your cells for deeper healing. Lastly, decompression. Towards the end, the pressure is gradually lowered back to normal in a safe, controlled way. After the session, we recommend drinking water and resting briefly as your body continues to integrate the benefits. Many clients notice improvements like better sleep, enhanced focus, reduced fatigue, and quicker recovery, often within just a few sessions. To summarize, hyperbaric oxygen therapy is safe, scientifically validated, and deeply restorative. In just 45 to 90 minutes, you're giving your body access to oxygen levels it could never reach otherwise, unlocking healing, regeneration, and resilience. If you're ready to experience faster recovery, sharper focus, and deeper healing, book your HBOT session at the Wellness Co today. Feel the shift, and I'll see you in the next episode of Therapy Deep Dive.